the 2016 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.